Today I'm gonna make you a vegetarian food which to provide you with all of the nutrition which your body needs. Also, it tastes great and you can eat it as much as you want. And in top of it, as you can eat this food more, you find out actually you don't gain weight, actually you start losing weight through fat loss. If you're wondering what kind of food it is, you should watch this video. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the channel dedicated to practical and simple idea for healthy lifestyle. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and last 7 years of work in pharmaceutical industry. Today I'm gonna help you to make a salad which is vegetarian, is delicious, and also provide you all of the nutrition you need. The base of this salad is 6 ancient grain, which I used in my previous video, which I'll put the link down below if you want to watch that one as well. The 6 ancient grain is basically the sorghum, black barley, black urid, freekeh, buckwheat, and finger millet. Those grain, they have much more complex carbohydrate compared to new generation of the wheat or refined the carbohydrate which we consuming in most of the food these days. This type of carbohydrate, it's as a result they can not all of them digested to our small intestinal, and some of them get into large intestine. And during that area, which helps a lot of microbiome, good microbiome actually grow and thrive, and as a result we have better immune systems. Also our guts, they're producing some hormones which they call it GLP-1, which they known which helps our appetite to be actually not eating that much food, and top of it helps also metabolism of the fat. Then if you are interested in how you can make this food without any further delay, let's get a start to making that salad together. Just use again that mixed grain of the 6 whole grain and sweet potato as a base, and I'm going to use some paneer, which is cheese in Indian, which they use it for cooking. I'm going to use some cheese, capsicum, beetroot, red onion, parsley for garnishing. The spices are going to use very simple as a salt, and I'm going to use vegeta, a bit of garlic, chili, and garam masala. Our beetroot is peeled, so I'm just going to cut it to small cubes. I start to cutting this one off, and onion. Add it to mix, and onion. Up like this. Just I'm going to mix those one and add a bit of balsamic vinegar and olive oil here. Not a lot, that's enough. And balsamic vinegar. mix them up. Now I'm gonna put this one in the tray in air fry and fry it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. All of the ingredients are transferred to tray, and I'm gonna put it in air dry. I'm just gonna chop that paneer. Add some olive oil. In here. I'm going to add some vegeta. This is vegetable base. Just I'm gonna add 1.5 of teaspoon. Mix them a bit. This start to getting fried. I am going to just prepare some 2 garlic cloves to mince it here as well. Garlic. Just 2 garlic. I'm going to use minced that. First garlic. And then another garlic. Most of the garlic up. It's lovely color we want to get. And at this point I'm going to add garam masala as well. A teaspoon of garam masala, and to give some heat, it's optional. I'm going to use half of the spoon of the chili flake. And mix them together. I'm going to add a bit of more oil. Just spices mixed together. I've coat the paneer. I'll try to turn it. I think as I'm happy if I turn off this one, make it a bit cool, and wait till our vegetable gets ready. Chop some parsley to just garnish our food. This is a fresh parsley for our garden. We're going to mix all of the ingredients together. I just warm this mixture a bit in microwave. I'm going to add 2/3 of this grain. Let's see how we go. Maybe I'll use all of them, but at the moment I'm going to add our vegetable, air fried vegetable, and see how I add the air fried vegetable and mix it up. It's up to you how much grain you want to add, but I'm happy with, basically it's about, you know, half a kilo of cooked grain. Alright, looking good. Now I'm going to add some cheese. Mix them up. the time is try to eat some of those now. Put it in a plate. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. This food, as you can see, you can cook those 6 grain in much bigger volume and keep it in fridge for 1 week, and you can add and mix it with the different ingredient which is a good substitute for rice or bread and provide you that extra benefit which I highlighted earlier. I actually start to consume these grains in different form and shape during last week, and I believe I noticed a bit of fat loss around my waistline. Today I'm measured that is around 94. Waistline is good indication of your health and risk factor. Ideally, men's should be below 94 and below, and for female 80 and below. Therefore, I'm in the range, and I would like to reduce this more, and hopefully this type of ingredient and salad gonna help me to get there. Anyhow, we get into end of this video. Please be active, be curious, and eat healthy, and until next video, bye for now.